LuxCore High-Resolution Rendering Export. Using LuxCore for exporting high-resolution 3D images allows you to produce photorealistic visuals suitable for presentations, portfolios, or client reviews. By following these steps, you can customize resolution, rendering quality, and output settings to meet your specific needs. First, launch the application and create your project or pick a sample project. Next, select the 3D rendering mode from the 3D menu. Then, choose the Render Final Quality option under 3D Rendering, which is located in the 3D menu. It will take a few seconds to render your project in 3D. Once the 3D rendering is complete, select 3D Image from the Export option under the File menu. The next window will display export options, where you can choose your desired settings for your 3D rendering. You can export your 3D project in 2K, 4K, or 8K resolution. Additionally, you can input custom values for width and height, but the maximum width allowed is 7,680 pixels, and the maximum height is 4,320 pixels. Adjust the rendering time as needed. After selecting your desired settings, click OK and a new window will appear. Here, you will need to specify the location and name for your 3D file. Once you've done this, the file export process will begin and will take some time to render. The duration depends on the size you selected for export and the rendering time you set in the Export Options window. After some time, the file will be exported successfully, and you can find it in the specified location with the name you provided during the export process. Congratulations! You have successfully exported a high-resolution 3D image using LuxCore. This process enables you to create stunning visuals for presentations, portfolios, or client reviews. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tutorials on 3D modeling and rendering. Don't forget to like and share this video to help others discover these valuable techniques. Thank you for watching and happy designing!